to welcome you all to this 30th Grand Alumni Homecoming, a celebration of our shared history, enduring friendships, and the legacy that lives on. As we come together tonight, we are reminded that no matter where life has taken us, we will always share the unique bond of Assumption Academy. The place where our dreams were nurtured, challenges were embraced, and lifelong friendships were formed. We are here as one ASSUMPT family to celebrate the journey that brought us here and the friendships that have stood still with the test of time. Let's all enjoy the spirit of togetherness and fill the night with laughter, heartfelt conversations, moments of joy, and make it a night to remember. I may not be there personally, but my heart is truly with you all. On behalf of Batch 2000, we welcome you all. Pagka-urosa ASSUMPTIONISTA. Maupay nga gabi ng salamat.
Our dear Assumptionista, as we gather this evening to celebrate the 30th years of Pagka-urosa, your alma mater's legacy, I am reminded of the words of the Lord in the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 6, verses 21. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. Our Catholic education has been a treasure that has shaped our minds, our hearts, and spirits. Like the story of the seed that was planted in the ground, and every day it received nourishment from the sun, water, and soil. But the seed didn't just receive, it also gave back. It grew into a tree, provided shade, produced fruits, and became a home for birds. The Assumption Academy Incorporated has instilled in us the values of compassion, integrity, and service, and has inspired us to make a positive impact in the world. As you look back on your time, you remember the Sisters of Mercy and your other mentors who instilled in you the values of our foundress, Venerable Catherine Macaulay. You remember the countless hours of service, the acts of kindness, and the moments of compassion that helped shape you into the individuals you are today. To our dear alumni, we offer our sincerest appreciation for your loyalty, support, and commitment. Your achievements are a testament to the quality of education and values that have been instilled as Mercy children. Your selflessness and generosity that we witness from you inspire us all. As we look to the future, let us remain steadfast in our vision to provide a holistic education that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. Let us continue to inspire and motivate to become leaders, innovators, and forces for good. Thank you, my dear alumni, for being part of our school community. In our reunion this evening, we give thanks to God for the gift of Mercy education and for the many blessings that we have received. Let us commit ourselves to living out the values and principles that we have learned here as instruments of God's love and mercy in the world. Mabuhay Assumptionista! Mabuhay Pagka-urosa! May God bless us all. In God's mercy, we serve with joy.
Good evening! Ngan maupay nga gabi haaton nga tanan. Ang akong pagyugbo ngan paghatag katalahuran ang tanan nga nagtambong niya nga gabi as we are gathered not just to celebrate the enduring bond that ties us Assumptionistas, kundi parang pasilungog ang espiritu in pagkausa, dedikasyon ng shared experiences that we have shaped us into who we are today. Nagtambong ako yan na nagabi, not as your local chief executive, but as a fellow alumna whose roots were planted and nurtured within the halls and aton minayuyo na alma mater, the Assumption Academy. I wish to convey my heartfelt appreciation and commendation to the host batches 1975, 2000, and 2025 for your exemplary dedication, meticulous preparation, and unyielding passion in spearheading this landmark occasion. Ipadayon naton maging torchbearers of the Academy legacy wherever life may take us. Once again, salamat han madamon iyong tanan, and may our shared journey continue to bring honor and progress not only to our alma mater, kundi para gihapon ang aton minahal na punto for a better and brighter tanawan. Sa iyong tanan, good evening, and thank you all for electing me as your second term mayor of Tanawan Leyte. I will do all my best to be proud that Tanawan will be a progressive one. Thank you and good evening ato na tanan.
Ladies and gentlemen, good centennial evening to everyone. On behalf of the Alumni Association officers, we are pleased to give you the updates for our State of the Nation, State of our Association report. Since we assumed the appointed position up to the time we were inducted last year, we have been, or the association have been collaborative with the host and other school batches, including the conduct of the annual feeding and gift-giving activities every December. We have also now reactivated our savings account with the BPI under the Assumption Academy Alumni Association account name. From its dormancy status, we have an outstanding balance of over 100,000, and unfortunately, we also have an outstanding accounts payable to Assumption Academy. This is in relation to the ongoing scholarship program. Please rest assured that the funds will be in good hands and we will be implementing, or the association will be implementing a transparency on funds or expenses. Thank you everyone and enjoy the rest of the day.
There's a spark in you, you just gotta ignite and light.
The next winner will be receiving 75,000 pesos. Baka may pa-drum rolls tayo dyan mamaya.
Baka magpa-yung burger yan.
Yan, nakapik na ulit si Sister ng Reader. Alright, our second prize raffle draw winner, the solicitor is Ma'am Odette, and she's living from Barangay San Roque, Tanawan Leyte.
Once again,
Congratulations for winning 75,000 pesos! Most batch po ba to? Most batch po ba? Alright, wow! Bawal lang po yung manalo yung host batch. Alright, there you have it. Congratulations once
kung sino yung mananalo ng 100,000 pesos.
Once again, ladies and